Hello everyone and welcome to today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and I'm a teacher trainer based in Cardiff, Wales in the UK. And the topic of today's masterclass is this: L1 in English language teaching, friend or foe? This is a really hot topic in English language teaching. Should we allow the use of the first language, L1, sometimes referred to as the learner's own language, or should we in fact ban it and promote English-only classrooms? The masterclass will look at the background to this debate, and it will then argue that principled use of the first language, the learner's own language, really is the way to go in today's modern society, where multilingualism is becoming the norm for so many of our students.